Yes, I know the microphone's audio is clipping, bear with me. What you just saw was a performance test of my crazy custom RGB lighting system that is based off of what I consider to be one of the wildest forms of artistic engineering that I know of. I have been a fan of Martin Garrix's music for quite a while now, that's true, but I am also just as big, if not a little bit more of a bigger fan of his technical team because of the amount of work that goes into producing his shows. I have been working on this video for the last 2.5 years now. In fact, you may even remember the tubes on my ceiling from a previous video that I did about visualizing hyperdimensional spaces. I think in that video it was a 22-dimensional hyperspace. In all seriousness though, the engineering behind this project was no joke. I mean, like, I bought an oscilloscope, a new 3D printer, I learned PCB routing, I went through half of my college degree. There is a lot that goes into this system, and if you would like to see a more technical video about how it works and how it was designed, then let me know and I will see if I can put that together. Otherwise, I live the life of a college student working 2 jobs, so that's enough time for this, and I will see all of you whenever I get around to living my life again. Peace!